Okay, this is a demonstration of how to create an application shortcut using Google Chrome for the vSphere web client. So let me explain. I'm on Windows 8 and I'm connecting to vSphere 5.1. So if we start up Chrome and we connect, so vCenter is what I'm calling mine. vSphere client is the proper URL for doing a web login. Okay, so this we might want to bookmark, but we don't want all this clutter of icons at the top and shortcuts and so forth. Just a lot of visual real estate lost. So how do we fix that? Well, if we make a web app out of it, it'll look a whole lot more like the original vSphere client. That's a regular application. But it's clear VMware is leaning towards us getting used to the web app. So let's talk about that. I'm going to start up a new copy of Chrome. Just leave it running in the background. That'll keep me from having to log in over and over. Okay, so old on the left, new on the right. Now, vSphere client. How do we webify this app, or excuse me, appify this web app? So we click on the wrench icon. We click on Tools. And we click on Create Application Shortcut. Pin it to taskbar. Sounds good to me. It'll be right alongside all my other icons. And there you go. This is how a web version looks when the title bar is missing. Quite nice. What if we want to size it and always have it running just like this? Okay, fine. I can close it now. And it's going to always launch like that. Here's menu icon. Let me just slide it over next to its friend there. So we have the traditional one, VMware vSphere client. And we have the new one, vSphere web client. If we launch it, it brings us right back to the same window position and size and so forth. So that's it. That's a look at how to make a shortcut for the vSphere web client. In my case, I'm pointing to vCenter. Okay, let me point out that if you look at the tray here, you'll see it doesn't look as if Chrome is running. But if we look at Task Manager, the truth is known. There's Chrome, right? So Chrome is certainly running a thing called vSphere Web Client. So if we close it, now all copies of Chrome are gone, and that means credentials are no longer cached. So it's one thing to keep in mind is when you launch this and you've closed all copies of Chrome, you're going to get this warning until we deal with certificates, and you're going to get a login prompt again. So just something to point out. Most of the time this isn't an issue if you're leaving Chrome windows open all day long, browsing to other things. Okay, that's a wrap. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this helpful.